Okay, my God, He made me a winner. Changing ways, I'm no longer a sinner. And I eat the beat up like a dinner. Rising up, I won't stop at the ceiling. If you call to be ready and willing, cause the Lord, He gon' get right with you. Yeah, the Lord, He gon' get right with you. Hey, yeah. Changing my ways. Had to switch out from the dope game. Had to switch up from chasing fame. Get some money, it's never the same. Get some money, they always gon' change. That's the reason I stay in my lane. Called on Jesus, He brought me from pain. Ever since, I just ain't been the same. The sun can't shine every day. Eventually it's gotta rain. So what you gon' do, complain? Or you gon' keep praising His name? See, I done been taught some lessons, and I'm preaching, but I'm not a reverend. I don't need your title acceptance. I just wanna bring earth some heaven. And He told me get up, get to stepping. Brushed my shoulders and gave me a weapon. When I spit, it's a verse straight from heaven. Holy Scripture made me a lieutenant, and the Lord is my strength, I rise. Seeing demons I used to just hide. Seeing demons I did in real life. Seen too much, I had to pick sides. In the darkness, now I walk in light. I was slipping on my way to hell, but my Jesus, He paid my bail. No more chains, I'm free to prevail. This my story, so I gotta tell. Yeah, this my story, so I gotta tell. Yeah, my God, He made me a winner. Changing ways, I'm no longer a sinner. And I eat the beat up like a dinner. Rising up, I won't stop at the ceiling. If you call to be ready and willing, cause the Lord, He gon' get right with you. Cause the Lord, He gon' get right with you.